Welcome to another Hart Moto video. In today's episode, we're taking you behind the scenes to one of the biggest names in motorcycle accessories here in the UK, Oxford Products. From innovative security and luggage systems to rider gear and workshop tools, Oxford have built a reputation for producing reliable, rider-focused equipment trusted by motorcyclists all over the world. We've headed out to see where it all happens, to explore the products, the people, and the passion behind the brand. So whether you're looking to upgrade your bike, improve your security, or just love seeing how motorcycle gear is developed, you're in the right place. Let's go and check out Oxford Products. Oxford Products produce a wide range of motorcycle clothing designed for everyday riders and real-world conditions. Their range includes jackets, trousers, gloves, and waterproof riding gear for both men and women, all built to provide a balance of protection, comfort, and practicality. Many Oxford garments feature durable textile construction, integrated armor, waterproof membranes, and removable thermal liners, helping riders stay protected in a variety of weather conditions. Adjustable ventilation, reflective panels, and rider-focused design make the gear comfortable for commuting, touring, or weekend riding. Oxford's clothing range focuses on reliable performance and great value, making it a popular choice for motorcyclists across the UK and around the world. Oxford Products are well known for their extensive range of motorcycle security solutions designed to help riders protect their bikes wherever they park. From heavy-duty chains and padlocks to disc locks, alarmed locks, and ground anchors, Oxford offer a wide variety of security products designed to deter theft and give riders peace of mind. Many of their locks are independently tested and approved to recognized security standards. Beyond security, Oxford also produce a massive range of motorcycle accessories including luggage systems, tank bags, heated grips, phone mounts, workshop tools, and maintenance equipment. For riders who enjoy longer journeys and adventure touring, Oxford also offer camping and outdoor equipment designed to work alongside life on two wheels. With such a wide product range, Oxford Products continue to support motorcyclists with practical gear designed to make riding safer, easier, and more enjoyable. In addition to their own extensive range of motorcycle gear and accessories, Oxford Products also play a major role in distributing some of the most recognized motorcycle brands in the industry. These include HJC Helmets, one of the world's largest helmet manufacturers, famously worn by five-time MotoGP world champion Jorge Lorenzo. Oxford also distribute MT Helmets, a brand known for producing high-quality helmets that combine strong safety standards with excellent value for riders. Another iconic brand in their portfolio is Simpson Helmets, instantly recognizable for their distinctive design and made famous to many fans through the Stig on Top Gear. Alongside these helmet brands, Oxford also distribute Alpinestars, one of the most respected names in motorcycle protection, offering premium riding leathers, protective gear, and casual wear trusted by riders around the world. By working with these globally recognized brands, Oxford Products help bring some of the best motorcycle equipment in the world to riders across the UK. Behind the scenes at Oxford Products is an impressive logistics operation, with vast warehouses filled floor to ceiling with motorcycle gear, accessories, and equipment ready to be shipped out to riders and retailers. Row after row of shelving holds thousands of products, from security chains and luggage systems to riding gear and workshop tools, all carefully organized and ready for dispatch. This large-scale distribution network allows Oxford to supply motorcycle dealers, retailers, and distributors across the UK and around the world. With such a huge inventory held on site, Oxford Products are able to respond quickly to demand and keep riders supplied with the equipment they rely on every day. It's an operation that shows the true scale of the company and the important role they play in the global motorcycle industry. Our visit to Oxford Products has given us a real insight into the scale, innovation, and passion behind one of the UK's leading motorcycle brands. From rider clothing and security systems to accessories, touring gear, and globally recognized partner brands, Oxford continue to support motorcyclists with products designed for real riders and real journeys. Seeing the warehouses, the development, and the people behind the brand shows just how much work goes into supplying riders, not just across the UK, but around the world. It's companies like Oxford Products that help keep the motorcycle community moving, whether that's commuting, touring, adventuring, or simply enjoying the freedom of the open road, we hope you've enjoyed coming along with us for this visit. If you did, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to Hart Moto for more motorcycle content, reviews, and adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.